RJ45. What is RJ45? Very simple. What is RJ45? Your LAN port. Okay, so RJ45. This is RJ45 connectors and ports. You see, you have a laptop or a desktop, so you will connect with a wire. Okay, so you're connecting with a wire. So there is a port on your desktop or laptop, that is RJ45 port only. Okay, and this is RJ45 connectors. So plug. Okay, cable plugs. These plugs we call it as a RJ45. Okay, so laptop having a side one cable connector is there, that is RJ45 port. Okay, so you can say port. So this is how it is. RJ45 port it is. Okay, like this. RJ45 LAN connector, LAN port, RJ45 port. Okay, so this is a laptop, RJ45 port. This is the cable, UTP STP cable we are inserting. RJ45 means 8 pin, 8 pin. You know what is the difference? How to, what is the configuration of laptop? How to check system configuration? How to check system configuration? Configuration of your laptop or desktop means what is your CPU, your RAM, your hard disk or SSD capacity, and your operating system and bit kind of stuff. Are using a 32-bit system, it is a 64-bit system. Okay, 30-bit system or 64-bit system. How to check system configurations? One is ms config. No, not ms config. ms info 32. Easy one is task manager, but in task manager you don't get a operating system details. dx diag. So you can go to search and open or run and open kind of stuff it is. You can in a search type about your PC. All these things open in search is very easy. Search in the search button, open like this. You will get to know what it is. Okay. Compulsory guys, check your system configuration. If you are not having your own system, so try to get from anyone's in any which ways, guys. For your version test, your interviews, you require a computer. You require your own laptop or a desktop kind of stuff. Okay. Okay. Know your RAM size. Same thing. To know your RAM size, you can go to ms config or task manager also. Of course, you can get it from BIOS settings. Get it from BIOS settings also. So how to know your RAM size? Same way how you check system configuration. So this is 3 questions. What is a hard disk? What is CD-ROM? What is a hard drive? Hard drive is a device to store your data. Internal hard disk having your operating system, applications, and your regular data. Okay, that is hard drive. So our SSD also we are using nowadays. Then what is the difference between hard disk and SSD? Hard disk data stores in the platter. SSD data stores in the SSD chipset. Okay, both are non-volatile memories only. What is non-volatile? Data, you don't lose data even the power is off. No power supply, also data won't lose. That is important. About SSD. Okay, what is the difference between SSD and hard disk? SSD small in size, less power consumption, faster than SATA SSD. Sorry, SATA hard disk. Lightweight, easy to carry any place. SSD internal memory, external memory also SSD type is there. Okay, in SSD SATA interface SSDs, NVMe M.2 interface is also there. So that is M.2 directly insert on motherboard. As compared to SATA SSDs, M.2 SSDs are faster because that too it is directly connected to your motherboard. Very less power consumption. Nowadays we are getting a laptops. There is multiple SSDs we can insert it. And even certain laptops having a 4 slots. One is already occupied. Again, 3 more slots are available to insert it. Depends upon their motherboard and manufacturer. Okay, but SSDs are more suitable for operating system and applications and basic data. Okay, for system required data kind of stuff. But regular data like music files, big file kind of stuff. Okay, so music files, video files, okay, regular documents. So SSDs are not suitable only because of SSDs are costlier than a regular hard disk. Okay, so guys, you have to frame answers, keep speaking to the answers. And if you got mix up that sentences, then reconstruct again. Okay, so that's why I am telling an answer because it's easy to practice wise. When system is on, BIOS will run small program which checks the connectivity board. So that is a what is a BIOS kind of stuff. Okay, command to clean up the disk cleanup command. That is different. I'm not doing it. How do you resolve if your PC is not working? How do you resolve your PC is not working? How do you solve problem if your PC is not working? Point is, how do you solve it? Okay, first of all, what happened? Exactly what happened? Okay, that is what this SOP means. Okay, so I will tell you this SOP, standard operating procedure. Either I confuse between that whether I have told this one only or not kind of stuff. These are set of complex of instructions by the user or person who is working to complete what is working, which is help these instructions to complete. More effectively.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Okay, okay.
Your voice is breaking.
Step-by-step instructions compiled by organization to help workers carry out carry out complex routine routine operations. Okay, this is also called as a troubleshooting model. So because that question came, troubleshooting model. What is this troubleshooting model? When any case, any issues occur, hardware, networking, any case occur, of course, as a service desk, it may be a different kind of stuff, but as a basic troubleshooting method, it is always same. Identify the problem. So first of all, know what is the problem it is. Identify what is the problem. For example, you got a blue screen of death. Let's identify the problem. Blue screen of death. Okay, for example. Establish probable cause. Establish probable cause. Establish. What is the probable cause? Why I am getting BSOD? Why I am getting BSOD? Blue screen of death. Why I am getting? Is it a hardware related issue, operating system related issue, is application related issues, a driver related issues, okay, or maybe a virus related issues, okay. So I am getting this blue screen of death, okay. That is establish probable cause. Test the theory. Test the theory. Test the theory. What is a test the theory? Means I assume this is the problem. This is last time I installed some application just before I installed some application. Or my system got updated, or maybe my drivers are got updated. Or I changed some settings in the BIOS. Okay, so what happened last before I am getting this blue screen of death? Just before getting a blue screen of death, some changes occur, right? So what is the changes occur? So test this. Okay, maybe this is the causing this problem. Okay, so if I do this one, if I do some changes, problem may be resolved. Problem may be resolved. So now I estimated this is the problem. Now I have to start troubleshooting. How to do it? First of all, how to do it? Establish, plan, and implement it. Implement solution. Implement the solution. Okay, so you implemented, completed, your work is implemented. Establish, plan, and implementation. Verify. The fixes. Or I install some drivers or updated drivers, or maybe I change some settings. Now I reverted it. I changed something like this. Now I planned that one. I done changes. I went to safe mode. I installed that application. Then, so issue is resolved. Issue is resolved. Now I'm verifying the fixes. Okay, now it is issue is resolved. Do preventive measures. What is a preventative measures? Is present preventative measures, right? Yeah. Preventative measures. What is preventative measures means? It should not happen again. You have to take certain causes, certain things like don't do like this. Okay, preventative methods, or I do not install this kind of application drivers or settings. So you don't do it again, or maybe so next time you should not get an issue. You won't get it. You won't get an issue. You have to take some precautions to do follow that. You won't get that one. Okay. Okay. Document finding. Compulsory, guys. This is a very important is documentation. Very important is documentation. Document finding means put everything into the document. CMDB, configuration manager database. Put everything in database. What is the document finding means? Document findings. Findings. What is the document findings? First, identify what is an issue. Establish probable cause. Establish a probable cause. What is the issue it is? Identify the problem. Identify the issue. What is the problem? Establish and implement a solution. Verify, fix, and do preventive measures. Document finding. Okay, so all these things, all 5 steps, we put it in a document. What is an issue? What causing this kind of issues? What is your action against the issue? Means how do you resolve the issue? What are the preventive measures you have taken to not get the issue again? Is it fixed or not fixed? So everything we put it in a document. It means yesterday SAR showed one ITL tool, right? So a ticket is came, history of ticket, everything is there in that ticket only, including what is the changes they have made it to resolve the issues. That is also there. So next time any issue, same kind of issues happen, so they will take the information from your document, they use the solutions in the organization. Or if you got some issue, same issue is again, it is repeated. So we don't do the same solution. Okay. Same issues occur again, we don't do same solution. Same issue, same system, same error. So previous fix is not working now. Now it is a different way of troubleshooting method, different way of action, plan you have to do to solve the problem. So that is the importance of documentation. Okay. So this is like how do you solve your problem if your PC is not working? But this is not an answer. This is a theory. This is theory. Okay. But this is a question, right? So this question answer is of course. What is the problem? What kind of error? BSOD error, or maybe it is system is restarting itself for multiple times. Then why I'm getting okay. Okay, okay. How do you solve problem if your PC is Not working means what is the problem actually? What is the screen is look like? What is on screen? First important is what is on screen. Okay. Is it a power supply issue? Means no power supply. Is it a boot related issues? Okay, boot related issues. Okay, or is it a BSOD, blue screen of death? Okay, um, multiple restarts. Yes, keep restarting itself. Hardware related, hardware issues. Okay, so first of all, understand what is your issue. Second one is you have to start work on it. For example, I told BSOD just now when I'm explaining this one, I told about a BSOD. For example, my hard disk is failure. Corrupted. I don't know corruption spelling. Okay. Yeah, I just gonna try this corruption. See where are you? Okay. Yeah, next time. So voice corrupted. So then what to do? So you can understand what is happening means on the screen. Based on the screen, you can understand is it a power supply related or boot related BSOD are getting. Okay, so multiple restarts or a startup related problem or hardware failures, hard disk failure, OS related problem, RAM related problem. So you should know what is the cause of this problem, what is related problem. Then you may know this one, you may know this one. That okay. So test your theory. So if you do this one, how it is resolved. Okay. So then implement the fixes. For example, it is a hard disk related failure. How you know it is a hard disk related failure or operating system failure? First go to BIOS setting. You can able to go to BIOS setting means CPU, RAM, your motherboard working fine. Okay, go to BIOS setting, check hard disk is there or not. Okay, so if no hard disk, so hard disk is, so no means hard disk problem or connection problem, hard disk SATA cable problem, cable connection problem. Okay, so you have to check it, the connection now and restart and check it. Still not working, then remove the hard disk, reinstall the new hard disk, or check the hard disk with other system. It may be possibly your system problem is also there. Voice corrected. We can do reset option is there. Windows 10, we have a reset option. Windows 8 and Windows 10 having a refresh reset option. Windows 10 we got a reset option. So reinstall OS. Reinstall OS. System image recovery also there. If you are already taken image backup, you can do image recovery also. Okay. Yeah, different things like a BSOD. BSOD. The first step is let it restart. Don't do anything. If it fixed, good. If it is not fixed, let it restart. If you got issue again, if you got BSOD again, so BSOD blue screen error again, then what you did last time, what did you did last time to your system? Okay, so revert it. Okay, so two useful things has happened is here it is. One is safe mode. Next one is system restore. Find out all these things, guys. If you are having not multiple restarts, means system is keep restarting, but no BSOD error. It's not a BSOD error, then power off the system. Okay, check CPU, check CPUs, heat sink, and thermal paste, means heat sink paste, fan assembly, dust also. In it and put it properly, then it may work. Okay, boot related. So where boot related is occur? Is it a post failure? Post failure means hardware related issue. Means your RAM related issue, CPU, or any component on a motherboard, not hard disk and all. Okay. If it is showing unable find a bootable device. Okay. Boot device related means hard disk related. Boot devices related means hard disk. Boot MGR missing related means OS related. Okay, OS related. Okay. Understand? So my system is not working means what is not working? Did you switch off? Switch on? Okay. Is the power connection is there? Is it a hard disk is connected? Which error it is showing on the screen? Then only we know what is the issues. Guys, you can list out different cause of system related problems, then you can able to it, including network related also. Okay, network or internet related also same list out. What are the different causes? For example, I open a website. Just I open a website. Website is not opening. It is showing some error. 404 error, 505 error. But other websites are open. Other websites are running, but this particular website only not running. So what is the meaning? That is website error. Website related, URL related. Maybe URL is wrong. What is URL? Universal resource location. This is a URL. This is 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 URL. Okay. So this URL may be a problem or server may have a problem. So that is the, but remaining is working means good now. So it is always a good one. So that's what I'm trying to say.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
when sir scene 404 not found, that is sir server problem or host problem?
Yeah, guys, you can speak to me in English, okay? So no problem. Even there is a mistakes, not at all a problem. 404. So we have our own habits. Even I am to speaking to same language person. So I speak in I will try to speak in same language only, like a 404 in Telugu, 404 అరే 404 okay, that is in Telugu, right? So but guys, try to speak same expression in English. There is no difference, guys. Language is to express things and it is to make a communication between two people. Okay, there is no universal language, no high language, no low language. Of course, high level language is there, low level language is there. That is for computers. Okay, this is high level language. Low level language means their assembly language, binary language is a low level language. Okay, so very good question. This is a guys, this is a 404 error. We have 404 page not found error. Page not found means I will show you that. For example, for everyone I show same thing only. I open some URL, for example, and this is a particular page. For example, I open a page like this. Now, can you see corner 404 page not found? Sorry, we cannot seem to find the resources you are looking for. It means server is maybe good, so server is good, but this particular page is not available now. For example, I shared you this particular page. Okay, this SOP page is there. This SOP page is there. I shared to you. Now you open. Meanwhile, I deleted this page. I deleted this page. Page is not there. But as a URL, it is there. Now what happened? Page not found. Your page either there are deleted or maybe it is wrong URL. Okay. It is not belongs to internet. It is belongs to server and the URL related. Very good. That's what how to learn the things. As you ask, like you catch what is 404 and you ask the question. Next time also any trainer you deal with it, guys. So just explore more. That is what I'm trying to say. Difference between RAM and ROM, you are all knows. Okay, volatile memory, non-volatile memory. RAM is for computer in a RAM, it is movable, means you can connect and disconnect the RAMs. ROM is a chip which is fixed to your motherboard. ROM we are using EPROM. So we don't change EPROM chips as our requirement. Okay, it is fixed one. And it is RAM is a volatile memory. If you turn off your computer, data will be gone from your RAM chip. ROM chip, even you shut down your computer, data still remains in the ROM chip. Yeah, recently some people are giving some bad answers for certain things, like CMOS. Yes, CMOS is a chip technology. Remember always, CMOS is a chip manufacturing technology. It is a kind of transistor. Okay, so using CMOS, we are manufacturing our CPUs, your RAMs, your ROMs, kind of stuff. ROM means your BIOS chip or UFA chip are manufactured with the CMOS technology. The BIOS chip, BIOS contains data, some data like date and time. Okay. Passwords, BIOS passwords, hardware password, not your user password. BIOS passwords. Okay, BIOS passwords. BIOS passwords, date and time, BIOS password, BIOS settings, boot priority, Okay, boot priority settings is including boot priorities. These are a temporary type, means if power of this temp data gone from your PC and BIOS chip from BIOS. If power off, so these temp data gone from BIOS chip to keep and BIOS settings reset it to factory default. To factory default. One. Second one is, of course, to keep this data into BIOS shape, we use a lithium battery, also called as CMOS battery or BIOS battery. Okay. CMOS is a chip technology, complementary metal oxide semiconductor field effective transistor. Okay, so I'm not telling that, which you already know, but I'm telling. Okay, so don't say like a CMOS means battery. CMOS is not battery. CMOS is a chip technology, chip manufacturing technology. Okay, so we use a CMOS transistors. We use a CMOS transistors. Okay, to build our chips. Use a CMOS transistor to build our chips. Of course, there is so much accuracy is there, but I'm not telling accurately. But this point is accurate, so keep going with that one. Okay, so not working, network not working, networking issues. Now only I told, but here I'm telling again, networking or internet again. What is the scenario? And now just now we see 404 page not found means internet is good, URL is not good. So problem is URL, not internet. Remember. Okay. So cross mark on NIC means no connection, connectivity issue, no connection. Cross mark on connectivity, NIC. The particular NIC, not any NIC. I have a cross marked NICs are there. No cross mark NICs are. So it is cross mark. I removed the cable, it is showing cross mark. But this is the original adapter which is connecting Wi-Fi. Yeah, one more question is, how do you connect to Wi-Fi router or internet? Okay, how do you connect it to? That means from your laptop to Wi-Fi router, or you can say mobile to your Wi-Fi. Guys, check the settings. Okay, so compulsory what it is. You have to click here. There is a Wi-Fi symbol is showing at a notification area. Wi-Fi symbol, which is look like a dot and like Wi-Fi symbol. Click on it, or a globe symbol. Click on it. There, the available Wi-Fi router names are showing. What is Wi-Fi name? SSID, which is your Wi-Fi name, your Wi-Fi router name. I'm not putting router and all, so I'm putting Wi-Fi only, means your Wi-Fi name only. So showing your Wi-Fi connecting name or a SSID name. SSID name it is showing. Select the your Wi-Fi. Select your, if it is it belongs to you, select it and click on connect. Click on connect. Then it asks for a password and give the password and check connectivity and check internet is working or not. So that is how to get connected to Wi-Fi. Practice step by step, guys. Step by step. Any practical questions, which is most easiest questions, right? Almost like a by 50, 60 times, at least some people 100 times they're connected to Wi-Fi. By last 4 or 5 years, people, I'm not telling in every day, I'm telling in a Wi-Fi. So I'm connected to Wi-Fi in my office, in my house, and in my hometown, in my room, and all right. So different places I'm going, so there I'll connect to Wi-Fi, right? So maybe a 50 times, 100 times you are connected to Wi-Fi from both laptop and as well as a mobile, right? But when the question comes, it is confusion. Always tell step by step, name by name, symbol by symbol. Clear explanation is required. That will make you connect like interior thing. Yes, you know how to express what you know. How to update your device? Very simple. Go to settings, and there is a update and security. Click on it. Check for update. Update. Guys, while you are practicing, never put any material in front of you. Put a blank screen or only questions and keep telling an answers. Yeah, it is almost 6 o'clock. So then we'll complete this. We'll say bye bye for today. Tomorrow, if a chance, I will take the class. Otherwise, I will take you on Monday. Okay. What is a operating system? What is operating system? Types of operating systems. Basics of operating system means what is an operating system? What operating system you are using? That is also a question. What operating system you are using? I am using Windows 10 Home Edition. Okay, I'm using Windows 10 Home Editions. Type of voices: SOS, NOS, simple, SU, MT, single user, multi-user, multitasking, single user, single tasking type of operating systems, or you can say desktop operating system, server operating system, real-time operating system, distributed operating system, mobile operating systems also there. Latest Mac means if you are a Mac guy, compulsory you will get a question on a Mac. Okay, give some examples of operating system. How do you find a current operating system version on a desktop? Means how to find a system configuration operating system manual. The best one is DXDiag MS Info 32 or about your PC. In search type about your PC. Okay, there you can easily find simple like what is your operating system and what is the version, Windows 10, which edition, home edition, kind of stuff, and your system configuration also you will find it here. Okay, so about your PC you will get it. DXDiag you can get it. What is BSOD? I just explained. I think already I told. Otherwise, find it out. How to find your hardware causing BSOD? You install new hardware or drivers. You change some settings of a hardware in a BIOS that causing your BIOS body. Any recent changes reflect immediately. Any IRQ based errors, IRQ, IO memory addresses, it is hardware related. IRQ conflicts. Excel is not opening. Guys, if Excel is not opening, what is an Excel? It is an application. What is an Excel? Excel, Word, it is an applications only. Microsoft Teams application, Google Chrome application. Excel is not working or not opening means application related issue. You got application related issue, what you will do it? Go to control panel, programs and features. Go to control panel, programs, uninstall a program. Select your MS Office, Microsoft Office it is. Okay, I have Office 365. Select Office 365. Click on change. Click on change. And there is a online repair, offline quick repair, online repair. I will select online repair and repair. See this? This is my Microsoft Office. Click on change, online repair, repair. Now if it is working, good. If it is not working, I will install the application. Yeah, I will send both this file and as well as the questions also. Already I sent earlier, but I will send the total questions also. Okay, so if this repairing is not working, if in case after repair also it is not working, what to do? Uninstall the applications, restart the PC and try to reinstall the application again. Okay, so any application issue, my Outlook is not opening. My Outlook is not opening. Somewhere it is there. Okay, Outlook is not opening. Okay, so then it is not a Outlook issue. It is a what it is? It is not an Outlook issue. It is a application issue. You are unable to send and mails. It may be network related issues or server related issue or a configuration related issues. Okay. So what is a BitLocker? That is separately with Navala. So ask about encryption. What is safe mode? Minimal operating system. Safe mode is a minimal operating system. Using safe mode, you can able to uninstall applications which we are unable to uninstall in the regular mode. You can uninstall the drivers. You can delete some data which we cannot able to delete some places. So in a safe mode, so more drivers, background services, more background services controlling won't be there. Viruses, antiviruses won't function here. We use a safe mode for troubleshooting. If you know any command prompt commands, so try do that one. Why you got a black screen? Why you got a blue screen? Blue screen means blue screen of thing only. What is a black screen? Black screen means you are not getting anything on your screen. Two things are there, three things are there. Black screen, when you got a black screen, that is important. Okay, when you got a black screen, your system is, this is, you are having a computer and this is your monitor. On monitor, okay, before you start power on the computer, so then before you power on the computer, so it is black, right? Now you power on the computer, you press the power button, then even you press the power button, there is a LED is blinking, but still nothing on your screen. Okay, nothing on screen. Earlier maybe it is blinking, but now nothing on the screen. It is post failure, power on self test failure. Somewhere hardware problem. Somewhere like a hardware problem. That is the first one. Okay. The second one, if in case on your screen, it is showing no signal, no signal. Okay. So it can be a cable connectivity problem. It can be a cable connectivity, data cable connectivity, or graphic cards related connectivity, graphic memory related connectivity. Your processor or a onboard graphic card related issue. No signal means. No signal also not showing. Host error. Host means your CPU or motherboard, your RAM is not working. Some device is not working. Okay. Next one. Initially it is showing some logos. Okay. So something it is showing some logo kind of stuff. Okay. You got a login screen. You log into your PC. Now you are getting a blank screen. Now you are getting a blank screen. Means system is worked earlier, but now after login, system is blank screen. Two reasons. One is your display resolution. Your display resolution. Your resolution changed differently. The second one is your explorer.exe killed. Explorer.exe killed. You know, there is a process. I opened differently. So you can see there is a explorer.exe process. This is Windows Explorer is there now. If in case, if I kill this one, I end this task. So everything simple, good, right? I'm closing this one. Okay. Also, I'm minimizing this one. Minimize. Yes, this is your screen. Even your taskbar, nothing is on your screen. I don't know what you are able to see. I'm seeing complete a plain screen. It's not a black one. Now at least it is showing some white color. I'm getting this one. How to resolve? You cannot resolve it. You have to go to Alt Control Delete. Click on Task Manager. There, go to File. Click on New Task. Type Explorer.exe. Now everything will be shown on the screen like this now. Okay. Anytime you touch it, just better to save these points. Okay, your Explorer will kill all the things. Guys, are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is one of the reason of blank screen. Okay. So guys, for every issue, there is what is the background of that issue? Why you are getting that issue, or maybe on which time it is getting that issue. Okay. It is not like a blind one. It is not a blind one. Troubleshooting is not a blind one. So which area you are getting issues? Do you know any antivirus you are using? What is an antivirus? What is a virus? Okay, so this is the main important things, guys. Next one is this is also like what is VPN? What is Active Directory? You know what is DHCP, DNS? You know what is VPN? Virtual Private Network. To access my remote infrastructure over the internet, over the internet. So we can able to connect through VPN. VPN is from organization only, not a public service. Okay, guys, we are using a VPN for your mobile phone and all. That is different VPN. That is different. So it is a site-to-site VPN. Site-to-site VPN, remote access VPNs, mobile VPN. Okay, so like that kind of 4 VPNs are there. Okay, site-to-site VPN means I have a company, organization is there. Normally, for example, this is my New Jersey office. This is Hyderabad office. In New Jersey office, I have a server. Now, in Hyderabad office also I have a server. I want to make a connectivity between these servers. And maybe there is an employee is working in my organization who want to access this server. So what they will do it, they'll create a dedicated connection. Okay, leased lines, they call it as a dedicated connections or a leased lines. But these leisure lines are not suitable for a small branch offices. I have a branch office. Okay, this branch office we cannot offer these lease lines because it is costly. People who are working from home, now everyone is working from home kind of people are there. Okay, people who do work from home kind of stuff. So what they will do in a main organization infrastructure person, put a VPN server. So this is a office. We can connect to this VPN over the internet or public internet only. For public internet only, we are able to connect. But it will establish a connectivity, means a private, secure, encrypted connection will happen. Once you are established a connection, your connection is encrypted. So then no one knows what is the data you are transmitting through it. Okay, if anybody want to attack this data, no, they cannot do it. It's completely encrypted, privatized completely, or public. So what is the advantages? I need to pay for a leisure lines, no need to maintain leisure line kind of stuff. Any person can be able to access this infrastructure through VPN. Even for a work from home guy, he has a laptop, right? He has a VPN inside, then he will through internet, he will establish a connection to VPN. VPN tell yes, is authenticated. Now give the connection and give the connection. Then what happened? This is completely encrypted line. It is look like, what is the thing is, it is look like you're virtually sitting in the same organization in their office and you are connecting directly. Now I'm in the office. I'm getting my office related IP address. I want to access my office server. So how I'm accessing? Through LAN connectivity. The same way it is there. So this is a VPN, virtual private network. Okay, it is a virtual private network. Connecting through via internet only. Yeah. Already I told, I think so. Otherwise, I will share some videos. I'll find it. This is also most important question out of all other questions. Okay, I said it is what is a service desk, Outlook, and VPN, and network related questions, networking related questions, anything in the networking. Okay, so major topics, guys. Find out. Okay, what are you? And I will share all these things. Please go through all the questions today and tomorrow, and also practice your version test. Okay, first version test, next technical interview. Okay, any doubts? Post in group only, ask in group. Okay, any doubts now?
Oh, no, sir.
No doubts. Okay, so compulsory go through all the question, and I think I forward some questions to you. Okay, I'm sharing now. I will share some questions and answers. Once I will check with Sir. Okay, whether I shared those things to you or not, I don't know. So that's it actually for today. I'm